ARIE and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a spring try-on haul sponsored by Lovelywholesale. I was sent 5 items, and you guys know last time the sizing was a little off in the last video, but this time I made sure to get my correct size. Not even that, your girl just gained a little more weight so the clothes won't be too baggy. So like I said, I received 5 items. We're not going to do too much talking, featuring ARIE. But now let's get into the video. You guys, this is the first outfit, and this is a 2-piece set. It's black with white trimming. This is very trendy right now. I'm gonna stand up on here so you guys can see the ankles. Don't laugh at my ankles, they might be ashy, but this is how the ankles look. It comes all the way down. Don't look at my ankles, my feet, my toes not done. I would give this I would give this an 8 out of 10. I feel like I just don't like how it's all scrunched up in the front area, but overall this outfit is fine. I would definitely put this top with some black jeans, some white jeans, you know, with my forces, something little something, because I'm not girly, y'all. I don't wear that heel bull, but yeah, I would give this an 8. It's comfortable. It's really stretchy. Everything I got is a size small. That's the smallest size they have. If they had an extra small, I would have went for extra small, but they don't have an extra small, so small it is. Like I said, this set is really comfortable. Y'all just wait on it. My stomach is going down. It's almost there. It's almost there, so I'll soon be there. But like I said, this is an 8 out of 10. So y'all, this is the next 2-piece, and honestly, I like this way better than the first. I feel like I should have saved this for last. But this 2-piece is yellow. It's the same color as the last one, just yellow this time. And I'm giving this 2-piece off rip a 9 out of 10. Like, I'm really jacking this. It comes all the way down to the ankles. Once again, I'm gonna stand up on here. This is how this look. I think this is my favorite 2-piece thus far. Like I said, I'm giving this, what I said, a 9 out of 10. I'm definitely wearing this spring time tomorrow to my dentist appointment. Okay? So I'm really jacking this. This is another 2-piece that was trending also, but so far so good. Lovelywholesale, way better. Oh my god, the freaking what you call it, quality is everything right now. The stretch is amazing. Once my stomach is gone, y'all, it's over for you. Over. Ooh, I'm really jacking this, y'all. I'm feeling myself in this. I don't want to take this off. My Instagram pictures in this is about to be fire. So y'all, this is the next outfit, and I'm low-key jacking this look. This is different. I've never worn something like this. It's off the shoulder. My bra is stuffed in, so it might look a little, you know, yeah. But this is off the shoulder, one shoulder, and I'm really jacking this outfit. This is different. This is different. This is supposed to be high waist, but I've never really liked it high-waisted things, so I like things at my, like, literally at my waist. But if anything, I'll pull it up a little bit. The bottoms are supposed to be baggy, you know, it's supposed to have that baggy look. You can honestly pair this with some heels and go to the club. Not me though, but I would pair this with my forces, of course. This is a comb fit. Oh shoot, I lost my balance. I lost my balance. I don't know how, but yo, I can see this being a fire Instagram picture, Kayla. And this is joggers, y'all. It's like scrunched up at the ankles. Y'all jacking this outfit? Because I am. Like I said, it's high-waisted, but I don't do the high waist. I do the like waist. So this is how this outfit looks. Like I said, this is one shoulder, and I'm really jacking this outfit. This is different. This is something different for me. Like, y'all rate this down below too. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Y'all can rate my outfit down below too. I like this top. It's something about this top, y'all. See, the one-sided tops are in style right now, and I honestly never jacked it because I thought I would look weird in it, but I think your girl might get her some one-sided tops. What you call these tops? One sleeve? Halter? It's not a halter top. What you call these tops, Kayla? One-sided? One sleeve. Half shoulder off. I don't know.
Half sleeve.
Half sleeve shoulder. Half sleeve shirts. No, ain't no half sleeve. Whatever. Comment down below what y'all call these, and I would dare cop me some. Like, I'm jacking this whole look. Like, especially these bottoms. I love loose things. So, yeah. So, on to the next outfit, y'all. We got 2 more pieces left. 2 more pieces left. I feel like Missy Elliott in this outfit. Y'all know Honey? I feel like Honey. Well, I'm about to go crazy on the dance floor. Now, this outfit right here. This outfit right here, I think is gonna be my favorite. I've been trying to get my hands on this 2-piece forever. We gonna see how it fit me, y'all. Hopefully it fit me good. Oh yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Y'all, I just knew this was gonna be the outfit for me. I knew it. This is the 10 out of 10 I was looking for. This is the 10 out of 10 I was looking for. Let me look in the mirror real quick. This is the 10 out of 10 I was looking for. This is the Instagram picture. All the rest is the Instagram pictures too, but this is really the Instagram picture, y'all. I've been trying to get my hand on this set since it was trending. It is so hard to find this set. And I finally got it, y'all. I finally got this set. I don't care. This go all the way down to my ankles. It fit great. Y'all, my camera turned off, but I'm jacking this outfit 100%. Jacking it 100%, y'all. This outfit is it. Oh my god, this is it.
Who do you think you are?
This is it. Oh my god, y'all. Comment down below if this is your favorite outfit, because this is my favorite outfit. So it better be your favorite outfit. I got one more outfit, but I'm so in love with this. I don't want to take this off. I'm about to go make TikToks in this. Hey. Y'all got me on TikTok? Y'all better follow me on TikTok, y'all. Your girl's at 14K. Run them numbers up. Hey. Like I said, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Lovely Wholesale, you really got me sold with this outfit. Y'all really got me sold with this outfit. I ain't gonna hold y'all. 10 out of 10 for your girl. Like I said, your girl is 5 feet, size small, with 118. That's it. And that's on period. This is the Instagram picture for me. It be the booty for me. Cause she a little cuter for me.
He might do it for you, little nigga, but he gonna do it for me.
Crybaby challenge. I don't know how to do all that. Alright, on to the next outfit. Y'all, this is mad. What you doing?
Oh, I like that.
Right? This is mad cute. Oh, like, this is a 10 out of 10 too, y'all. Oh my god, Lovely Wholesale. Look, yo, what you have done to me. Y'all got your girl feeling herself. This Instagram pictures about to be... Y'all, it's this outfit for me. I'm really jacking it. Y'all will be seeing me in this on Instagram. I gotta hurry up with this video, you guys, because my camera is just getting hot. But like I said, it's this outfit for me. This is a 10 out of 10. This outfit feels so soft, y'all. This outfit is so soft. I feel like this is the softest piece of clothing I've ever received from them. But like I said, all the information will be down below. All the outfits I have, the exact link will be down below. I got everything in a size small. I'm 5 feet, 118, so you guys can work around there. But before you guys order your clothes, make sure to measure your waist, your hips, your bust, everything, just to be sure you get your correct size. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Rate all the outfits down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
Just had a newborn with a new ground and a new tone. You can cry now, I'ma still go. Don't hit my phone unless my blue binge. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hit my